Hello everyone, my name is Arjun Sani. I am technical engineer at Samco Infotech. Today I am going to tell you about how to sort the lithium-ion cell on the basis of voltage and IR. For sorting of the cell, we are using this machine, Yoki 3561 battery IR tester. This machine is like 99.9% accuracy. This will give the accuracy of 99%. Here I am sorting for sorting I am using the cell. This is the prismatic cell as well as for cylindrical cell. This is a cylindrical cell of 18650 and 32700. This is an LFP type of cell. This is also a LFP type of cell, and this is an NMC cell. So the cell is short on the basis of voltage and IR. This machine show the here it will show the internal resistance of the cell, and here it will show the voltage of the cell. Now I am going to show you how to sort the cell. So these are the probes. These are positive probes and negative probes. From this I have to put these probes inside the positive terminal and negative terminal. Here you can see the IR of that cell is 0. Showing the 0.32, and the voltage is 3.3349. Okay, I am showing another cell. See here, same 0.32 milliohm is showing the IR of the cell, internal resistance, and the voltage showing the 3.278. Okay. It is showing the 2.15 million because due to this screw, because it has some resistance, contact resistance. That's why it's showing the higher value of IR. That's why it's showing the higher value, and the voltage showing 3.143. Now I am going to show you for the same for the cylindrical cell also. Here on the screen showing the 23 million, 23.42 million and 3.676 voltage. Sorry, 3.2. Here the resistance is decreased up to showing the 7.85 and voltage 3.32. This is how we can check the IR and voltage of the cell, or we can say how we can sort the cell in the basis of the voltage and internal resistance of the cell. So this is all about how to sort the cell on the basis of voltage and IR. If you want to see the working of this machine, link is in my description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.